Assalamualaikum, my name is Firdhauss by Aznan. I want to present about mental health. Mental health includes our emotional, physiological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle the stress, relate to others, and make choice. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence to adulthood. Next is early warning signs. First is eating or sleeping too much. Second is having low or no energy. Third is feeling unusually confused, forgetful, on edge, angry, upset, worried, and scared. Fourth is hearing voice or believing things that are not true. Next is thinking of harming yourself or others. Last is inability to perform daily tasks like taking care of kids or getting to work. Third is risk to mental health. First is inadequate to health and safety policies. Second is poor communication and management practice. Third is low level of support for employees. Fourth is inflexible working hours. Next is unclear tasks or organization objective. Last is limited participation in decision making or low control over one's area of work.
Hi, my name is Nurhaslinda and I will continue this infographic presentation with types of mental illness. As you can see here, there are 5 types of mental illness. One of them is anxiety disorders. What is anxiety disorders? Anxiety is the felt by an individual when thinking about a future, even that is feared will not end well. Some examples like people who have phobias and the patient's ability will not function normally. Second types of mental illness is major depressive disorder. This condition affect how they feel, think, and act, and it can lead to emotional and physical problem. Some examples such as lost interest in enjoyment, having difficulty to thinking, and less concentration in making decision. In additional, post-traumatic stress disorder also the mental illness that facing by patient. They experience a traumatic event such as a natural disaster and also abusement. Person who have eating disorder develop this disturbing eating habits and become stressed with body weight. They usually feel fat and sometimes see themselves as overweight. This almost happened to women between the age of 12 to 35 years old. Last point is addiction or substance abuse. People with addiction have intense focus on using items such as drug or alcohol. They will forsake work and job and personal relationship to fuel their habits. As we can see in this infographic poster, only 32% of baby boomers ready to open up their mental issues compared to millennials. 62% of millennials says they are ready and comfortable to discuss their mental health issue to public. But back to the main topic, which is mental illness at the workplace, what everyone should know. This mental illness negatively affect employee in an organization. Job performance and productivity of company will drop. Furthermore, each employees will have difficulties in communication with coworkers and also very less engagement with one's work. Besides that, employees with mental illness will decrease the daily functioning and disable the physical capability. So, in conclusion, what can be done and what solution can be made? Most management should make some strategies for managing mental health in the workplace. They can do assessment, provide education or classes, training, good communication, and provide health insurance. Employees can encourage employers to offer mental health education programs. Through this program, we can share personal experience with others to help reduce stigma when appropriate. Public health researchers also can establish training programs in partnership with business schools to teach leaders how to build and sustain a mentally healthy workforce. That's all from us. Thank you.